Ladies and gentlemen, it is here. Resident Evil 4, the Chainsaw demo. I literally just got home from work. Capcom had just announced it today on their Spotlight show. And I immediately said, you know what? I gotta download this shit.
September 30th, 1998. It's a day I'll never forget. The cop inside me died that day. And that night, Raccoon City was wiped out, thanks to the bioweapons created by Umbrella. Somehow I made it out, but too many others weren't so lucky. I was asked later to join a top-secret government program. Not that I had a choice. The training, punishing missions, nearly killed me. But at least I kept my mind off everything. If I could just forget what happened that night. The pain, even for a second. This time, it can be different. It has to.
I really love the serious tone. It's like the original, you know, even though it had its horror elements, it had its, you know, it had a lot of cheesy moments and stuff. But this one is getting like, this one gets like downright serious. It literally doesn't fuck around. You know what I'm saying? So here we go. Okay, first of all, this is actually kind of terrifying. Like, look at this. It's all misty and everything is dark, dismal. It's like, oh God, I got a bad feeling about this one. But I love what I'm seeing so far. It's like, the horror conventions are actually, for lack of a better way of putting it, conveyed very well. They're clearly incorporating elements from Resident Evil 3.5, which I love.
How far could he have gone?
I would say all hail to Capcom for... Why is that there? Who put that there? Somebody was paid money to put that... You know, okay. All hail to Capcom for making Resident Evil scary again, but also fuck Capcom for making it scary again. Because now I have to worry about the possibility of shitting myself when playing this. Before, I felt like I could just run through a Resident Evil game and be like, oh, okay, you know, maybe a couple scares every now and then. Now I'm worried about shitting myself. Thanks a lot, Capcom. Anyway. I wonder if there's like a item that you can get like in the... First of all, I can't even pull out my weapons yet. Alright, never mind. That's cool. I'm coming in. Leon Scott Kennedy, y'all. Coming right in. No, he doesn't talk like that. I'm just making that up. So. And this house. This house is definitely not structured like how it was in the original. I can definitely say that for sure. Definitely not structured the same way. But the fact that it's so dark, but I also love the lighting too. Like, the lighting is really good. Oh, look, it's an insignia. Judgment is nigh. Oh, that's what it reads. I forgot it was in Spanish. But no, seriously. The lighting is actually really good. Like, I'm impressed. This game is graphically, like, impressive. And I'm running this on my PC, by the way. I'm running this on my PC. And it's actually, like I said, it's running very well for the most part. It's not entirely optimized for PC yet. Oh, what's this? Oh, we need a key. All right. Well, yeah, it's not entirely optimized for PC, but it still runs very well. Uh-oh. What's in here? Okay. What the fuck? Oh, hi. How are you? Is this just like in the original where he meets a villager and then he starts like attacking him? Oh wow, Leon actually knows the Spanish language. He never spoke Spanish in the original. That's nice. Mario Fernandez Castino. Wait, Leon, watch out! Ooh, damn! Damn, he rouse kicked. It looked like he snapped his neck too. Damn. Damn, that kick was insane.
This is not good.
Yeah, he had the key this entire time.
Man,
Oh.
stinks.
Ew, that's disgusting. Oh, look, I got my gun. Oh, look at how the reticle is. I like that. It's definitely not like the other games. And what about the knife? Yep, I can still pull out the knife at will. Hey, let's go. This is Resident Evil fucking 4. This is what I'm talking about. Oh. Oh, let's get away from that. Oh, that's disgusting. I'm sorry if anybody's eating something while watching me play. That was, that's disgusting. I'm not necessarily squeamish, but it's just like, I know that there's some people who are watching this who may not like the sight of like, they're just not a fan of dissections. Oh, here we go. This is Resident Evil 3.5. Remember, I'm not sure if anyone remembers, but remember how in that tech demo, Leon would like, it was like a Silent Hill-esque type demo, and Leon would like, he would have a flashlight, he would walk around a dark area with a flashlight, and he would be having hallucinations. That's literally what this reminds me of. And I'm actually glad that Capcom is incorporating it into this game. That's pretty cool. They're literally bringing in the horror elements into Resident Evil 4. Something that was largely missing, admittedly, even in the original because of the action elements. Even though it still had its scary moments, don't get it twisted. What the fuck is that? Oh, hello. What the fuck? The rat literally just ran by my feet and disappeared. Yeah, that's totally not bizarre at all. What the f- What was- Oh, it was just a light. Never mind. I literally thought something was lurking back here. How can Leon be so brave walking in dark areas like this? Leon just has that bravery that I wish I had. Oh no, his throat is slashed.
I read you. What's your situation? What the hell's going on?
Oh man, this is actually terrifying. This is absolutely terrifying. Like, what in the hell? Capcom really did a number on this game. And you want to know something else too? I'm not sure if I can break this barrel. Nah. This also reminds me of the GameCube demo. Well, not this entire demo with how it's playing out. Obviously, like, you know, this is nothing like the original. What I'm saying is, though, I got a gun. I got a gun. But anyway, yeah, it literally reminds me of the gameplay demo for the GameCube that came out in 2004, where it only played up until the village part. It literally reminds me of that. In fact, speaking of which, where is Hannigan? Oh my god. If you could kindly get off of me. What in the fucking hell? Why is he still alive? Oh, wow, man. I already got touched and slightly damaged, and you know what? What a way to start. What a way to start. I'm actually extremely embarrassed. What the fuck? Wait a minute. Wait a minute. That was the same villager that I roundhouse kicked. He got up? Yeah, I think he did. Uh-oh. Oh, got a green herb. Oh, shit. I only got 6 bullets. It would be wise not to fight them right now. Yeah, I got a gun. I got a gun. I can tell this game is going to be a lot harder than the original. I can tell.
Bruce, this is Condor 1.
Hunnigan here. What's your sit rep?
President's daughter, Baby Eagle.
Yo, Hunnigan looks good.
Our intel was correct then. Well done.
Need a location on a nearby lake. She may have been taken there.
Copy that. I'll see what I can find.
Hurry up. Something's happened to the people here. My escorts are.
Uh-oh.
Gotta go.
Really? A Shining reference? Well, he just didn't say here's Johnny or whatever. Nice leap. Nice leap, Leon. You really gonna look at me like that? Come on, bro. Let's fight. Come on. Come on. Or stay in that fucking house. How about that? Stay in that house. Pussy. Anyway. Oh, wait. The bridge part? That's sooner than expected. Oh, and there's no villagers up there like in the original running away. This remake automatically sucks now. I hate it. No, I'm just kidding. Oh, wait. Whoa, whoa, whoa. There's a crow. It better... It's gonna drop something when I kill... Yep! Just like in the original, it drops stuff. Nice. Glad Capcom kept that in. Nice. Hey! Handgun ammo! Nice, 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 nice. Gunpowder. They're actually putting in gunpowder now. Look at this. This was not in the original. They're literally incorporating the elements of the remake so far, where we've had gunpowder and every. But realistically, the whole gunpowder mechanic can go all the way back to Resident Evil 3, because that was the first game where you was able to craft your own ammo, and it was groundbreaking for that reason, for the series at least. Our good old typewriter that we can't use because of the demo. Fine by me. But overall, I'm literally loving everything that I'm seeing in this demo so far. I'm really enjoying it. So, oh wait, more crows. Oh, that one's gonna fly away. That one's gonna fly away, and then, no. No. Capcom. Capcom, are you... Okay. No. That cannot be the same dog from the original, bro. No. No. Capcom, no. Are you... Capcom, are you crazy? Okay. Does everybody remember saving that dog in the original? Because if you do, I swear to God, this cannot be the same dog from the original. But it's got the bear trap on his lip. Look at it. It's dead. It's all mutilated and there's like flies everywhere. Capcom, why would you do that? You fucking assholes. What the fuck were y'all thinking? Of all things to kill off or change in this remake, why did your imagination, or any change for that matter, go straight to killing off this dog? This dog was awesome in the original. But then you say fuck it, you decide to kill him off. What the fuck were y'all thinking, man? Oh, no. This remake sucks now. This remake sucks now because of after seeing that. That is bullshit. You don't kill off a wolf like that, Capcom. You just don't. Do you have no soul or shame whatsoever? You fucking apathy sons of bitches. Do you realize what you had just done? I'm gonna tell you right now, this is fucked up. For you to kill off one of the coolest side characters from the original game, and yes, I consider this wolf a side character, for you to kill him off in the worst way imaginable. I'm sorry, Capcom, but I will never forgive you. Like, this actually makes me legitimately sad. The fuck were y'all thinking? Who at Capcom thought this was a good idea? No, literally. If you're one of the developers who's watching this video, what is the matter with you? What in your right mind told you to do this? It's cruel. It's insipid. Of course, in a Resident Evil game, you cannot dodge anything. I'm just upset because I'm just upset because I'm already like, I'm just not in a good mood because after seeing my boy dead, I don't know, man. So. Oh my God! There's a bear trap. Oh shit.
Damn it.
Ow. Alright, watch out for any potential bear traps. I actually didn't even know there was a bear trap in the middle of the road like that. They literally changed how it... Oh, what the fuck? How? Come... What? No. What? It'd be like that, man. It'd be like that. Come here. I love how the melees work in this game. And I love the fact that the melees actually do damage. I mean, melees always did damage even in the original, but now it just feels like now the melees feel like they actually have impact on them, you know what I'm saying? So that's what I'm really loving about this game so far. As far as I'm concerned, this game still retains everything that made the original so good, but it had some changes. But I think we already know what the worst change to the game was. I don't even have to explain it, do I? I don't even want to talk about it anymore. Oh no, oh no, we all know this part. One of the dead officers is hung on there. And this is the village part where we have to survive. I wonder if it works like the original, how I can find Salvador. I don't know. Oh, they're lighting him up. And he's still alive. They're literally burning him alive. As far as I'm concerned, in the original, he was already dead. But here in the remake, he's still alive. Well, I'm gonna do my usual. Kill the villager tending the hay. What the? Where'd you come from? Oh my God. Get out of my way. Is Salvador up here? No, he's not. Oh, come on. All right, well, let me go inside the house. Salvador is definitely guaranteed to spawn, just like he did in the original. I'm sure of it. Capcom would not be dumb enough to not... Oh, there he is. There he is. Oh my God, and it has the same sound effect too. Every time you hear that, your heart just starts racing, because at that point, you already know shit's gonna hit the fan. Oh shit, he already busted in through the door. The shotgun's still hanging on the wall, just like in the original. Glad to see that. Oh my god, don't touch me. Isn't there like a, is the yellow herb back here? Whoa. Will you get the hell off of me? God damn you. All right. Crowd catcher. What the? What on God's earth? No, no, no! Will you get the fuck off of me? Stop touching me! Why is everybody touching me? Stop! Stop touching me! I'm gonna... Okay, area awareness. Definitely gonna need it. Yeah, I'm taking care of him. Dude, stop touching me. I don't think so. Chainsaw parry. All y'all are gonna get the fuck out of my way. Every single one of y'all. Why are you touching me from behind? These fucking bitches, I swear to... I can't stop cursing. This game makes me curse. This game is literally making me curse. I was actually trying so hard throughout this video not to curse, as I wanted to concentrate on having a good time. But right now, I'm literally livid right now. I'm fucking pissed. I don't want to use my knife. But you know what I will use? This.
Here you go.
Damn! Will you get... Oh my god, why does everybody keep fucking touching me? They actually touch you more than they do in the original. Oh my god. I think I got him. I did. Thank God. I actually got Salvador. I actually got him. He was actually a lot tougher to kill this time around. As far as these ganados are concerned, there's more of them spawning around here than there were in the original. Yeah, don't try throwing that shit. Eat this, bitch. Oh, I shot him dead. Wait, what's going on? Oh, the bell. The bell. I almost forgot about the bell. It's Lord Sadler. It's the Lord. Your Lord Sadler. Hey, don't look at me like that, man. Don't look at me like that. I'm pretty sure it acts a lot like the original GameCube demo of the original Resident Evil 4, where it ends at the village part.
Where's everyone going? Bingo?
Ah! He actually still says that line in the remake. Oh, I'm happy. And there you have it. That is the Resident Evil 4 demo. I almost want to play some more, but I gotta say I'm impressed with what I'm seeing so far. They're clearly retaining the soul of what made the original so good, but this game's a lot harder. This game's a lot harder than the original, and that's the part that scares me. Not only is it more terrifying, but it's also a lot more difficult than the original. So